Well, good morning. So to remind you, if you're getting out this morning, you might want to run by Harbor Freight. There's some really good sales going on. So let me show you a few. All right, I finally had a chance to get back to this and show you some more of these super coupons that expire on May 10th. We have the 1,467 pound capacity 2-inch by 20-foot E-Track ratcheting tie down. Great deal on these at $7.99 if you're using that E-Track system. Disposable blue shop towels, always a buy, $2.29, 34% off. 20-inch 4-way lug wrench, $9.99. Everybody needs one of those. So that's 44% off. How about a tow bar for your car? Do you occasionally need to pull a car back? Maybe you buy one occasionally that needs to be towed. Here's a 5,000 pound capacity tow bar, $69.99, down from $89. How about a professional pistol grip grease gun? 37% off. This is a Holt brand, down to $19.99. Hand vacuum pump, 27% off, down to $39.99. Here's a very nice 250 pound capacity creeper. It's got the adjustable headrest. Pittsburgh brand, $32.99. Here's you some stop turn trailer lights, boat trailer lights. It says they are submersible. It's made by Kenway, 26% off, down to $10.99. Here's a universal hydraulic brake flaring tool kit. A few of you will have a use for this. $279.99, $60 off. Here's professional blue shop towels. This is a 200 box, so they're the pop-ups instead of the rolls. 24% off, down to $10.99. And they're having a whole bunch of generator deals. Hopefully I'll find that coupon before we quit. But on this particular deal, you buy the Predator 350 watt station and you get the 100 watt solar panel to recharge it, 40% off. So that's a deal. Here's another super coupon for the 11,500 watt tri-fuel, super quiet. So it runs on natural propane or gasoline. So that's a deal at $19.99, and that's the big boy. Here's a 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator. It's got the remote start, $7.99, 100 bucks off. The 4,550 watt open frame. This is an inverter, $539, 140 bucks off. All these are Predator brand. Here's a 100-foot 12.3 outdoor extension cord, so it's a little heavier. A lot of the ones you see at Walmart and Lowe's are going to be that 14 gauge. So this is 12 gauge, good heavy cord. $64.99, down 10%. Here's a 15.8 horsepower max performance overhead valve horizontal shaft gas engine, 20 bucks off at $429. Here's a super heavy duty extension cord, multiple outlets, 25 foot. That's a pretty good deal at $37.99. Of course, it lights up to let you know you have power. I do have some of those in my basement. They're very heavy duty and durable. Here's a corded electric pressure washer by Portland at $74.99, 16% off. Here's a really handy Bower unit. I don't have it, but I did look at it in the store the other day. It's pretty nice. It's 1,800 PSI, and as I said, extremely portable, easy to carry around. $79.99, knocking 20 bucks off. Here's a full trash water pump. If you need to empty those ponds or pools, 100 bucks off at $799.99. 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides. They're knocking 30 bucks off. It's going to be $149.99. Here's a 100-foot standard 5/8 garden water hose. So it's the bargain, but still a decent price at $24.99 for a 100-foot. A submersible sump pump. This one's 3,000 gallons per hour, 16% off, coming in at $49.99. Now here's a little lightweight 16.3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord. So for Christmas lights or something, carries plenty of power. Lightweight things, you don't run real heavy plug-in appliances on it, but they're very handy, very lightweight. $8.99, 18% off. Here's a 20-volt portable power cleaner, and this is the tool only. So this is the ones that you can, just grab and go. You don't necessarily have to hook it to a water hose. You drop a line into a bucket, 16% off. If you've already got the batteries, it makes this a really good deal at $49.99. Here's an 80-volt brushless cordless 16-inch trimmer. This is the same deal, tool only, but if you have batteries in that family, it's a deal at $69.99. As is the Atlas 80-volt brushless cordless 150 mile per hour 605 CFM blower. If you got the batteries in that family already, $59.99, 20% off. It's a solid deal. They also have a cultivator. It's a 10-inch. Runs off that same battery family. $30 off at $149.99. Here's a weatherproof clear case to carry some of your smaller parts in. $9.99. They got that TV wall mount up again. It's down 34% to $14.99. That holds up to a 70-inch television. Here's a 160 amp spool gun, $229.99. It's $20 off. The welding lens covers for your masks, $7.99. That's a 6-piece set from Vulcan. And here's some from Chicago Electric for $6.99. It's a 5-piece set. It's almost the same price. And here's some from Chicago Electric, 5-piece for $7.99. So depending on which size you need there. Here's some MIG welding contact tips, a 10-pack now for $7.99, 20% off. Here's a 3/4 horsepower submersible sewage pump with a tether switch, $229, $30 off. Need to stock up on your electrical tape. You can get it for 31% off right now. 10-pack for $5.49, so 55 cents a roll. It's kind of hard to beat that. It's decent tape. Here's a Doyle cable splicing kit at $9.99, 33% off. And here's a deal on those nitrile gloves. Basically, it's 33% off, but buy two, get one free. So that is a deal, 33% off. I know they recently ran the 40% off, so this is pretty close. Good deal. Here's a 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly for $9.99. It's 23% off. Get that 17-foot reach Type 1. This is a 300-pound now, Type 1 multitask ladder, $129.99, knocking $30 off. Quality ladder from Franklin. Here's a coil, 35-foot chain coil. It's 1/4 inch, $37.99. You need a platform truck to move things around. That's mostly on a hard surface. 19 by 29 inch, it's $34.99, knocked 18% off. If you need some replacement wheels, you can pick them up for 30% off right now at $279 with the super coupon. For those of you that's got things that come in on a pallet and you need to move it around, here's $70 off the Franklin at $329.99. And if you'll notice, guys, most of these are in-store and online. So you can buy your things and have them shipped to you. It's reasonable if you buy several. If you buy one little piece for $10, it's probably going to eat you up in freight. But several items, I think it's a decent value. Here's 10 by 25 foot poly sheeting for $8.99. It's 30% off. I wanted to see, did I find those original coupons? I thought they were here, but maybe not. There it is. Predator generator days. All the gas generators, so any of them, are 20% off. So pick one out. There may be better deals in the super coupon, so check it out. The Inside Track Club is going to be 25% off all of the generator covers and wheel kits as well. So I hope this helped out. I think I've got all the super coupons that expire May 10th now. and I will probably go over some of the other values on my next video. Well, I hope these coupons find some value in your workshop. If they've helped you in any way, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. Give me any comments on specific items you might like to see, maybe some demos. I mean, I'm into that. I've got several tools. Check out my other videos. I do have several do-it-yourself projects out there. Till the next video, y'all take care.